Want to improve your English? We're sure you do. But there are so many ways to do so. You can learn English online or offline. You can learn it from the classrooms, or you can do it yourself, learning English from your home's office. Today, we'll discuss the DIY approach. We'll talk about how to learn English online and from home on your own. We'll mention 5 English tips. Follow them all and watch your fluency rise. Start with the basics. For beginner and intermediate speakers, you need to learn the basics. This means grammar, proper sentence structure, and vocabulary. There's no use improving your speech or fluency if you don't understand the previous. You can learn the previous alone, but you need books and courses to study on your own time. Look for starter guides. Buy books by established teachers who provide instruction for beginners. You can find books like those everywhere. Study the books on your own time. Try to get through them with as much mastery as possible, thus you shouldn't rush to improve your English. You want to master the foundations before improving fluency. But if you're a beginner, we recommend attending classes. Beginners require more correction than intermediate or advanced learners. A teacher can correct your mistakes, better improve your English. After you reach an intermediate level, you can look for online courses and English tips. Many experts provide online English courses. You can find them all over YouTube. Also, you can find them on websites such as Udemy. If possible, find those who speak English well and can speak your native language. For example, if Spanish is your native language, find a fluent English/Spanish speaker. Make sure that Spanish is their native language. If your first language is German, find a native German speaker who teaches fluent English. Videos are better than text. We mentioned YouTube and Udemy for a reason. Both provide lots of video content. Video content is vital because with videos, you can listen to how English is spoken. This isn't something you can see in text. From a book or written lessons, it's much harder to improve your English. So videos teach you how to speak English. You can find the correct pronunciation of words. Speaking of videos, use audiobooks and transcriptions. You can listen to audiobooks on your own time. You can do so anywhere, but it's best done at home. There you have enough peace and quiet to focus on contents. Audiobooks have a clarity quality to them. They are narrated slowly, suitable for learners of the language. Transcriptions. It's an exercise you can do with audiobooks. As you listen to an audiobook, type what you hear. This improves your English by engaging your senses more. It forces you to focus if you want to keep up with the content. Specifically, you use hearing to listen to the book, sight to see what you write, speech where you can speak as you write, and touch, writing fast to keep up with the content. That's 4 senses in a simple form of practice, and it's one of the best ways to improve your command of English. To do a transcription, all you need is a laptop, a video file of the book, and transcription software. You can do this exercise anywhere and from the comfort of your home. But do note that this exercise is intensive. It's also hard for beginners. You need a while to get used to it. If you need something easier, you can watch subtitled movies. This helps you master the casual use of English. You can watch movies in your native language. Slowly see how the phrases in your language are translated into English. This will help you get a grip of the language. Or you can do the opposite. You can watch English movies subtitled in your native language. This is an excellent approach too. Again, this approach is private. Not to mention, it's leisurely, where you get to enjoy entertainment while learning. So you hit 2 birds with 1 stone. It's all about exposure. Think about how a small child learns to speak a language. They hear it from their surroundings, and over time, they adapt themselves to speaking the language accurately. You can do the same from the comfort of your own home. You don't need to attend classes constantly or socialize. Just surround your home with English. Always listen, hear, and read in the language until you get fluent.